Welcome back. The issue of acquisition of Grand Island by the Navy had an impact both inside and outside the assembly. While a huge morcha to protest against Navy's move was being held at Pato, a calling attention motion was raised in the assembly.
Around 500 people led by Deputy Speaker Marvin Godino marched towards the assembly complex to protest against the acquisition of Grande Island and Beamvale Beach by the Navy. They were stopped at Mandovi Bridge by the police. Marvin later submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. Marvin also raised a calling attention motion on the issue in the assembly.
I want a categorical assurance from this government. Under no circumstances they will allow the acquisition of this island. Why? Number one, traditional fishermen will be affected who come from all over Goa in the middle of the sea when they want some rest. Where else they will park? This island saves them. It has saved many lives many times in the rough weather.
तांकां खरीच जर तो डिफेन्साचे प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्ले, they would have discussed with the government with the details of security problem. They are encroaching everything, they are covering everything. आता ते कारवार गेल्ले आसा. कारवार येदी व्हडली नेवल बेस घाल्या. आनी हांगा कित्याक जमनी आनी एक्स्ट्रा?
When the file came to me, I put up a categorical remark there, saying that first we will have to ascertain the opinion of the elected representatives and the other stakeholders in that area. There is no question of acquiring any land for Indian Navy at this stage. And that is why there is no question of acquiring at this moment at least any type of islands or any lands for Indian Navy. I assure this House. I am also saying that in case, even if Center has powers in certain cases, as far as this issue is concerned, we will take it up with the Defence Minister, if required with the Prime Minister.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
Maina Kottaram police have now revealed that Bajrang Dal leader Jayesh Naik is the prime suspect in Sultan Bellary murder case. On the other hand, supporters of Jayesh are claiming that police are unnecessarily framing Jayesh.
Bajrang Dal leader Jayesh Naik is the prime suspect in the headless body murder case at Davarli. Police have mentioned many details regarding the case while opposing anticipatory bail application of Rashikant Gaus. Police say a Swift Desire car and Maruti van came to Peda, Banauli with 7 occupants and took away the deceased Sultan by putting him in Swift Desire car. Deceased was being taken away on the pretext that he is a thief and has committed theft at Damodar store Madgaon, which belongs to one Mr. Rajesh Naik. Mr. Jayesh Naik is the prime suspect in this crime. On the other hand, management of Samarthgarh has strongly vouched for Jayesh Naik. Manager of Devasthan, Padmanabh Naik, has claimed that police are targeting Jayesh Naik.
हय मर्डर केस आसा तेच म्हणटा आमी जयेश नायका हातूंत आमकां दिसना की जयेश नायका हांवें तूं क्लियर फसयला म्हणून जयेश नायक आनी तांगे फॅमिली काबार करपा खातीर प्लॅनिंग केला सगळें तातूंत नांव वायट जातलें कोणचें समर्थगडाचें ते जयेश नायक इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ समर्थगड पोलीस अशी भंय दाखयत आसा लोकांक की तुमी गडार गेल्यार तुमकां अरेस्ट करतले गडार वचनाकाच पण कशी ताकद एकदां भितर व्हेले रिमांडाक घालून ताका मारलेत न्ही रिमांडाक घालून ताका मारलेत तुका सुप्रियन फर्नांडीस आमकां केस खबर आसा फाल्यां जयेश नायका समजा ही हाल केली ते आमकां नाका न्ही.
Police have already issued lookout notice against Jayesh. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
One of the senior BJP workers, Ramabai Gadekar, was allegedly assaulted by Panch Digambar Halmarkar on Tuesday. She has suffered severe head injuries. The suspected reason is assault of previous property dispute. This issue was raised in the assembly by Salegaon MLA Dilip Parulekar and he asked justice for women. Home Minister Ravi Naik has assured to take necessary action against police.
Senior women BJP worker Ramabai Gadekar, aged 62 from Giri, was allegedly assaulted by a Panch member Digambar Gadekar and his family. She was hit by a wooden log on her head. She has suffered severe head injuries and is admitted in Azilo Hospital.
म्हाका दुखल्ले आनी दिगंबर ते हेणी हलमलकरान तेणी ओडून आईक भितर येले आनी तेका दाण्यान दोगांय चेडवान तेज्या आनी मेवणेन दोगांनी धरून तेका भितर व्हरून मारून हे केले दाणो मारले तितून. आदी केस चालू आसली आमची घराची केस भावांची ती हो पंच आपूण मदीं हे जालो आनी आपल्याक पयशे जाय हेजे वांटो जावं आनी हे जावं म्हणून तेंच्यांनी अशें हे केलें आतां.
Shekhar Gadekar, son of Ramabai, was very angry with the police.
हांव गेल्लो केस करपाक तो पुलीस म्हणटा तिका घेवन यो तोयच घेवन यो खंय मारल्या थंय हांवें म्हणलें ती हें सिरियस आसा ना तशीच घेवन यो गाडयेन घालून.
This issue was raised in the assembly by Saligaon MLA Dilip Parolekar by calling attention. He has asked justice for the woman.
एखादी बायलो मनस आनी ती सुद्दां हॉस्पिटलान ऑक्सिजनाचेर न्हिदल्या सगळे टाके पडल्या रक्त वता आनी अनकॉन्शियस आसा ही बायलो मनीस आपल्या पुलीस स्टेशन येवंक शकता काय कितें आनी जे खरे काल्प्रीट जो आसा तो दिगंबर हरमलकर हो अजून पर्यंत पुलिशेक मेळ्ळो ना.
Home Minister Ravi Naik has assured necessary action against culprits.
स्पीकर सर ही डिटेल सगळे तरेची म्हायती हांव घेता SP कडल्यान विथीन ह्या दोन दीस भितर किंवा फाल्यां पर्यंत आनी कितें आसता तेका बटे बरेंशे तो कितें आसा ताणें कितें केलें तें आमकां म्हायती दिता पण तो करतलो एक्शन तेजेर.
A reporter from Giri, Shamsundar Fatte.
Looks like Kutsadkars will not compromise on their demand of mining bypass. Suhas Savardekar withdrew his hunger strike on Wednesday morning after Deputy Collector assured him to follow High Court orders with regards to mining transport. Soon after that, Gaon Rakhand Jagrut Manch started his hunger strike opposing expansion of present road.
On Wednesday, Deputy Collector of Kepe Agnel Fernandez and Mamladar Sudin Nathu met Suhas Savardekar. He was on hunger strike from Tuesday. He withdrew the strike after they assured him that they will follow High Court order with regards to mining transport.
माझी मागणी जे हांवें उच्च न्यायालयान जे आदेश दिल्ले कोर्टान ते ताजी हें करात अंमलबजावणी करात अशें जें मागिल्लें तें म्हाका मान्य केलें म्हणून ताणें लेखी दिल्लें आसा आनी ते खातीर हांव आनी म्हाजे वांगडी हें उपोशण फाटीं घेतात.
फॉवर्ड केलें आनी अर्जंट ताबडतोब एक मिटींग घेवन 27 तारखेर मिटींग घेवन हेजेर सोल्युशन काडलें आमी ऑलरेडी टायमींग आनी सगळें घायलां आनी कलेक्टरा म्हाका 15 दिसांनी टायम दिला कितें तरी खंय तरी कमी पडलें जाल्यार आनी एक मिटींग घे आनी मुखार सुदारप कर म्हणून.
आनी तुमी ताका लागून ते सांगपा येयल्ले हांगा
हय आमचे आरोप करपा नाका न्हू आमी काम एक्शन घेयलें ना म्हणून टायमली हांवें एक्शन घेयलां रिकॉर्ड्स आसा ताका दाखयले आमी.
Soon after this, Ajit Parulekar started hunger strike. They have started this hunger strike to oppose expansion of present highway. Gaon Rakhand Jagrut Manch will continue this strike till their demands are met.
सुहास सावर्डेकर हांची प्रकृती मातशी सकाळच्यान मातशी बरें दिसना कारणान आनी डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान तांच्यो मागण्यो तेणें तांच्यो मागण्यो ज्यो घाल्ल्यो ताणें एप्लिकेशन करून जे कळयल्ले त्यो मागण्यो फाटीं घेतल्या म्हूण सांगिल्ल्यान आनी तात्पुरतो सद्या तांणी फाटीं घेतिल्ले आसा आनी त्याच वतीन आमी गांव राखण मंचाच्या वतीन आमगेले अजीत परुळेकर आनी ताच्या मागीर एका फाटोफाट एक खुबशे जाण आमी आमरण उपोशण करतले.
A reporter from Kutsade, Mayur Naik.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.